Hello viewers, welcome to another SMT tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to get started on Sunwaves mining. However, before we get started, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the BSC chain. The contract address will be in the description box below. Thank you. Now let's get into today's video. Sunwaves is a project that was launched on the ICE blockchain and they are fully supported by the ICE team. So all you're needing is the Sunwaves app, which is currently available on Play Store. So after downloading the app, just click on it and register. They were having OTP issues before now. We're having issues in sending verification to your email before now, but it has been resolved. Just input your email address. Then click on login. So they'll send a code to your email, to the email you registered. Let's get that code. Okay, here is it. 607. So this mining is very similar to ICE mining. For those that mine ICE, it's very similar to ICE mining. Next step. As you can see, it's part of the ICE open network. Next step. Stay connected. Next step. Refer and earn. Next step. Enter your nickname, the nickname you want to use. Next step. Okay. You need a referral code for this. Without a referral code, you will not be able to pass this stage. So you can get as many referral codes as you want from their Twitter handle. Just check the comment section on their Twitter page. So just click on complete. So that's all. It's very similar to the ICE mining, like it has the ICE interface and all that. Skip all. So here's the interface, very similar to ICE. So to activate mining, just click on this side showing SW. As you can see, tap here to start your first check-in session. Just tap on it. Okay, it's very similar to the ICE mining. If you click on boost now, you'll be able to see how you can boost. You are currently in level 3. It depends on your earnings, like your earnings per hour, that determines your level. Now let's head back. So as you can see you can in level 2. Click, you see refer, you don't have any referrals. So adoption now is currently 16 per hour. It's currently in the first stage, and this was how I started. Now when you click on the other icon at the bottom, you can share your referral code with your friends. So when they click on the link and start mining, you get points for their earnings. Now click on the other one. It's the news feed. It's very similar to ICE. It's the news feed. Skip. Then the last one shows your personal details, your rank, your username, your badge, and all that. So all you need to do is check in once in 24 hours. Just click on it. You can see 23 hours left. So guys, this project is still very new for you to start now. It's very new for you to start now, so accumulate enough points. So that's all about the Sunwave airdrop for now. If you have any question, kindly drop it in the comment section. The team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in our next video.